Welcome to Blackjack Special.
Even if your face struck the camera, good. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Another video for you guys today. It's fucking cold. It's winter. We need a remote start in this bitch. So I'm gonna go check my boy Renil. I'm gonna get a remote start installed in this car. Alright? Oh my god. You guys turn on the heat?
Yeah, because I did the details in the back. I was running from the cold. I waited for that blue thing to disappear.
Want your seat warm?
Oh, yeah. But I don't know where your windshield is for the back.
No? It's as cold as ice. It's fucking cold. Whoa, 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 whoa. Damn. Okay.
So,
Yeah. Shit. Oh god, I feel so tired. Should have brought my gloves. Damn, forgot my fucking gloves, man. The shifter is so fucking cold right now. Huh? Oh yeah. I gotta fucking wake up. That's what it's at, guys. You gotta get the remote start done, man. If you live in fucking Canada, you need that shit. Oh shit, let me slow down. Camera on this street. The speed cameras. Track your speed. What am I doing? These things actually work? I don't think so, right? Yeah. You know anyone who actually got a ticket from those cameras?
pretty sure they were. They wasted time. They don't want
Yeah, I know, but I mean, like, they're saying even if you're like a kilometer over or something.
I don't know about that.
That's why I don't think, yeah. So it's like 40, 44, 49, I don't know, something around there. I'm trying to get a ticket, you know what I mean? What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, are you not hot? Oh, there you go. You.
So go to the health place and get the drinks. Because you don't like to take Tori, you remember the pool, right? The bus pool? Okay, I think I remember.
Some 0603 or 0306?
Yeah, I'll figure it out.
Okay, you guys have arrived. Now to go out, get out, get out. Okay, guys. Just gonna give you guys a quick walk around again. So, welcome back to the channel. Blackjack Special, you know what it is. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thanks to the new subscribers. I appreciate it. We're almost getting to 100. I hope we can get to 100 in the next week or so, hopefully. or maybe I'm being a little bit too ambitious. But yeah guys, so today we're gonna do a video just taking the Civic pretty much to get a remote start done. And one of my really close friend at Renil, my close friend Renil at McLean Auto Solution. Yeah, so apologize, I'm a little, you know, shaky, just woke up. But yeah guys, so I just dropped off my peeps. Now I'm gonna head there, and also I'm gonna give you guys kind of like a review while I'm driving about the car, how it feels, you know. Any of you guys interested to know more about the Civic, let me know. Driving, man. We're right at McLean Auto Solution, baby. He got the solution. Maybe. Alright guys, still gotta learn how to play with this camera a little bit better. I think that's the view we're looking for. I think that's the view right there. So we're gonna try that view right here. So we just got to McLean Auto Solution, about to get the remote start done. Once these guys are done washing these cars, let me go up in here and say what up to my homies, my people, and yeah, check back with you guys.
50-50, you add up.
Yeah, oh yeah,
You
man.
want to put everything in the bank?
Nah, man.
Boy, fuck that.
I ain't have to save a big
You
lump
like to save no
sum.
big lump
Put away
sum,
$50 here and
Here
there.
and there.
Before you know it.
You add up.
You understand?
You want to teach me that?
Yeah, man, it's true. Cause I problem enough. Everybody try to. Can you put away too much? You're not going
Boy,
back.
you end up like a papa.
Mm-hmm.
Boy, you know, fucking. Yeah, them girls, them work at work, we just say, I always see have a smile. Life is good, enjoy, buddy. Know who the function is, but they go still pull in. Try to fit in, and when things go on now, they still want to play them bad and
Yeah.
okay, that's how I say stuff.
A lot of work to get to this shit. Anything we want. Even if your face struck the camera, good.
Video.
You take that all the time. Yeah. I forgot to put in the car. I have to change the car died on me the other day. Yo. I have to call CAA. And I forget to put in the other stuff. Let me take a look.
Give me wire strip, buddy, please. See that red handle thing there by the drill?
Oh, there you go. Yeah. Is it? Alright. Okay, sick. Let me go in and try now. I'm gonna try. Sick, sick. And then if you want to shut you off while you start, how you do that?
Press lock again 3 times.
Lock again 3 times? Okay. Same as the Murano, right? Gotcha. Just heading home now from Renil. McLean Auto Solution, my boy shop. So, stop here. All these damn speed bumps, you know what I mean? But yeah, guys, challenge about to pop off real soon. The Infiniti is going in the shop next week, so we should be able to get some videos on the G going in. I don't know if I'm gonna get to record getting work done on the car, because I might have to go to work. I might not have time to stay there and stuff. But yeah, hey, my old school, man, Western Collegiate, baby. Yeah, you already know. But I also want to spend a lot of time doing some stuff with the Civic, because I'm telling you guys, man, more and more I drive this car, more I love it, man. More I love it. Like, shifting in this car is so nice, man. Feels so good. Feels so good in this car. But I don't know if you guys want to get remote start done. Definitely check out my boy McLean Auto Solution. You want remote start, you want your car detail inside, outside, you want to get a nice subwoofer in your car, you want to put a backup camera, you want to change out your old shitty deck and get something proper, get something good. I'm telling you, man, my boy, he gonna hook you up, man. He gonna hook you up, bro. Honestly, this guy does really good work. No problem, no issues, right? No issues. So, you know, good price, good service, and I want to help support my boy. Why not? You know what I'm saying? Support my boy, help his business. All right, see, let's just get a nice little rip. Yee! I love this thing, man. I love this thing. Like, honestly, I think I got one of the best front wheel drive cars you can get, and one of the best rear wheel drive cars you can own. G37 and the freaking SI. So far, I don't have anything that I don't like yet, but I do have 5 things that I really like about this car. So that's gonna be in the next video. Okay? 5 things I really like. I'm gonna let you guys know, and I'll give you guys a little comparison to the Infiniti. Let's rip this shit. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Giving them the Blackjack special. Yeah. So I was taking my spot, but not this time, motherfucker. Fucking ice everywhere still. Alright, let's park this bitch. Let's park this. Ooh, let's park this bitch. Holy shit, that's not how I wanted to go. Yo, this fucking bump, man. Holy shit.